Hey guys, it's Ian. We're here at your Mother Perpetual Help community church. Anyway, a few moments before this recording, the overnight pabasa has started. Just give you a little backgrounder. Pabasa is a Filipino tradition that started in the Spanish era, which, if I'm not mistaken, is depicts the early stages of salvation history, starting from the creation, and the story will jump to the birth of the Blessed Virgin Mary, and it would end in if I'm not mistaken, the finding or the search for the true cross, headed by Saint Helena, which was the mother of Emperor Constantine. Everybody knows who he is, anyway. Yeah. And if I'm saying it's overnight, yes, it is overnight, because once you start this pabasa, you should not stop. Once you started the pabasa, you should not stop. The only pause that you could have is, of course, standing up, walking around, having some refreshments like salabat and all other drinks, and also going home, of course. Because for some of the people here, they could well, of course me. They could walk. They're just a few blocks away from here. So that means they could go back here. They could go back here and resume their pabasa and relieve those who have just stopped there. Of course, you should come early so that you could relieve them early. Yeah. This is going to be a very long night for these people. Anyway, from here at the OMPH community at Bacoor, Cavite, thank you for your time, and stay tuned for the part 2 of this video of this pabasa coverage. I don't know. Whatever it is, thank you for your time. Stay tuned. Bye.